Hello, today we will guide you through how to change paper money amount on Thinkorswim. If you use the paper trading environment to practice strategies, being able to quickly adjust your simulated cash helps you test position sizing and risk. Here's how to do it cleanly so the change reflects in your buying power. Start by launching the Thinkorswim desktop platform and signing in to the paper trading mode. Once the platform loads, look along the top for the Monitor tab. Click Monitor to see your activity and positions. This is the home base for your paper account, and it's where you can make the adjustment. If you have more than one simulated account, check the account selector at the top so you adjust the right one. In the Positions area, locate any symbol listed, such as a sample trade. Right-click that line to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Adjust Cash. This command doesn't place a trade, it simply modifies the cash balance of your paper account, which then flows through to buying power. An Adjust Cash window appears. Type the amount you want to change your cash by. Enter a positive number to add funds or a negative number to remove funds. Use whole dollars and keep it realistic for the scenario you're testing. Before you confirm, take a quick glance at the buying power figure near the top left of the platform, noting that current value gives you a baseline so you can immediately verify the change after you apply it. When you're ready, click OK. The platform will process the adjustment and your buying power should update to reflect the new cash. Depending on your layout and market data speed, it may take a brief moment. If you don't see it refresh right away, give it a second or switch views and come back to Monitor, the number will catch up. A couple of helpful reminders as you practice. This change affects only the paper account, not any live account balances. If you make a typo, just repeat the same Adjust Cash action to correct it. Keep in mind that buying power is influenced by cash plus any margin settings in the simulated account, so an added cash amount may not translate one for one if you hold open positions. And that's it. You opened Thinkorswim, went to Monitor, right-click to Position, selected Adjust Cash, reviewed buying power, and confirmed with OK to see the update. Thanks for watching, and happy practicing in paper money.